Hi friends, my name is Atul and I welcome you all on my new video on types of lathes. So this video is only meant for the quickly revising the main types of lathe only. This contains only main points from each type of lathe machine, and humble request, if you want more details on types of lathe, please go through the standard textbooks. And if you want to revise the topic quickly with main points, and then please go through the video. Okay, so what are the main types of lathe which we are going to study in this video? Speed lathe, engine lathe, bench lathe, tool room lathe, capstan turret lathe, special purpose lathe, and automatic lathe. Okay, in that the first one is the speed lathe. This is the simplest form of the lathe. It consists of bed, head stock, tail stock, and tool post. Sorry, spell mistake. There is no conventional type of carriage and lead screw, and the tool motion is controlled by hand only. You may have seen the woodworking lathes. Mostly those are the speed lathes, and the speed range of those lathes are from 1200 to 3600, and that to be only in 2 to 3 steps. It don't have the robust headstock or the gear mechanism in the headstock, so the speed range is of this much only, and that to be in 2 to 3 steps. The next one is the engine lathe or the center lathe. Okay, this is most widely used lathe. It got all the parts of conventional lathe machines. In early days, it was driven by steam engines. That's why it is called as an engine lathe. Tool make can be fed by lead screw as well as manual. As you can see in the conventional lathe, you can feed the tool by hand on also, but also with the help of lead screw for machining the threads on the part, like that. I'm just telling you the example. Can be adopted for any type of lathe work, because with your different type of attachments, you can adopt this lathe for any type of work. This type of lathe can be classified by power driven in headstock, as if it is a belt driven or pulley driven, that is called or come under the belt driven lathe. If it is a motor driven in the headstock, then we can call it as a motor driven lathe. If it is geared drive, then we call it as a geared drive lathe. One different kind of lathe under the engine lathe is the bench lathe. It has all the components of engine lathe or center lathe. Okay, this is same as engine lathe, only small in size and mostly used for precision work. Okay, the next one comes is the tool room lathe. It has all the features of engine lathe, that is our conventional lathe. Okay, this lathe manufactured with high precision. Speed range is high, approximately 30 to 2500 rpm. That means we got many steps from quite low to quite high range of rpm. Mostly used for high precision work, like for manufacturing the tools, dies, and gauges. That's why we call it as a tool room lathe. This machine is bit costly as compared to the same size engine lathe. The next is the capstan and turret lathe. This type of lathe is development of engine lathe actually, and used for production jobs only. The main distinguishing feature of this type of lathe is that the tailstock of an engine lathe is replaced by hexagonal turret. The tailstock is replaced by hexagonal turret, on the face of which a multiple tools may be fitted and fed into the work in proper sequence. Okay, that's the main difference. Keep in mind. In regards to this type of lathe, we will see in details this type of lathe in another video actually, because it should go in more detail for this type of lathe. Okay, the next one is the special purpose lathe. As name indicated, it is used for special jobs. Those can't be done by either earlier type of lathe. Following are these some type of lathes, that those are the special type of lathe or special purpose lathe. Wheel lathe, as you can see, these are machining the wheels of the locomotive, mostly our trains. Gap bed lathe, those can accommodate large diameter part. That's why it is called as a gap bed, because there will be a large gap on the bed. T lathe, used for machine the rotors of jet engines. Just keep in mind, that's not that important. Duplicating lathe, it can be able to duplicate the shape of template workpiece on the workpiece to be machined. Missile lathe, this is used for manufacturing the parts of missile, as missile parts are in large size, so specially designed lathe is used. Okay, that's it guys, thank you.